Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or add vendor to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select vendor from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For a fixed value for all products, click on Static and enter the static value. For the vendor field settings, you can choose to ignore words. This feature allows you to ignore certain words from the value in the feed file. For example, if the vendor is Nikki ABC, but you only want Nikki, enter the ABC in the Ignore Word field. You can also enter multiple words to be ignored separated by comma. Once you're ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.